Back here back with another video. Today I'm going to be recording another video of my birds. And I got them a new toy. Well, it's not really a new toy. It's just a hanger that I have. They really like it. So I'm just going to put them on this and you'll see. Okay, so I got them on the hanger. And yeah, it looks like birds. How do you like it? How do you like the hanger, buddy? You like it? Yeah. How about you, buddy? Guchka? Guchku, how do you like it? Okay, come on, Guchki and Guchku. Let's go. I need to turn the hanger around. There we go. I turned it. Now we're going to go for a little walkie walk. This one really likes it. This one likes being on hands more. And my glasses for some reason. Not in the bathroom. Because they might fall in the toilet. Let's go. Let's bring them upstairs and see how they act. See, they come upstairs. Now let's see how they act when you go downstairs. Ready? They like going up. They hate going down. Well, their wings collided, but I don't want them to fall. Do you like that walk? Let's go for another one. Whee! Whee! So, let's put them down. And they come on the ground. If even one of them goes down. Well, he doesn't want to go. Aww. Unless. How you doing? Oh, he went down. He got scared. Go on. Let's see how they act. Go, go, go. Look at them little waddles. Look at them waddle. Oh, I missed it. He just fluffed himself or something. Look at his little tail. I'll make you watch them waddle. Look at them waddle, ready? I'll scare him. No, I'm not. He's waddling. Oh! So that's all the time we have for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also check out my other videos about my birds. They're in my channel. See ya. Stay golden.